Hey there, welcome to StarPath. My name is Rachel Lowenhertz, and I'm the founder of StarPath. And in this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of how to use the app. On your home screen, you'll see the most important feature down here, which is the message box. This is where you can type anything, ask anything, and you don't have to know anything about astrology. StarPath will figure that all out for you. But here's the catch. You need to attach a birth chart to your chat. The default is going to be your chart. But let's say you want to ask about someone in your family, a friend, or maybe a client. You'll select their chart from the drop down here. If you don't see their name, go ahead and click to add their chart. This is important because every chat inside StarPath is attached to a specific birth chart. So if you want to understand your partner, you can't do that in a chat that has your chart as its base unless you click the compatibility button. That lives over here. And when you select compatibility, this will do what's called a synastry analysis, which will compare multiple charts. So you'll choose a chart to compare to the base chart, and then our ephemeris can get their birth information. This is really important because if you try to talk about someone else's chart without selecting it or without adding them to your circle, which lives over here on the left, the AI is going to hallucinate and you'll get incorrect data. So don't forget to choose your chart. Now, when you're having a conversation, you can choose from one of 5 different voices, and all of them have a different flavor. So you'll want to play with all of them to see which ones are your favorite. Beyond that, we have a few other fun features. You can ask about timing by clicking the transits button. You can also look at astrocartography, which is the astrology of the world map. And we have this fun little dynamic map here that lets you zoom in. You can click on the lines to see how close specific cities are, and you can even measure how far a city is from a given line. You can also explore your birth chart if you want to know what specific placements mean by clicking any of the buttons over here, and those will just tell you about particular spots on your birth chart. So if you want to go deeper, type something in the message box, and it can be anything from what's my ideal career or where can I meet my perfect partner. Finally, if you want to go really deep, check out our reports. These are 10 to 20 page deep dives into a specific topic, and you don't have to write the prompts yourself. And if you really want to know what this all means, check out our astrology courses. We've got a lot of videos that explain what the planets are, what the signs are, and give you tutorials on how to use the app itself. With that, I'll let you dive in. So happy chatting.